I want to show you how to go ahead and use a special mode in your GoPro. In this one, we're going to be using and getting the super zoom mode in here. To use it, well, first of all, you gotta turn it on. After you turn it on, you want to go ahead and get the super zoom to work. So to do so, next step you want to do here is to press on the button right here on the bottom and change the resolution. So we'll press on the resolution over here, and all the way at the top you want to press on it. It says 16:9. Yours is probably going to say 4:3. So you want to make sure this specific one, the resolution here, is set to 16:9. After you do that, go back in here, and here is the wide angle right there. And it's going to give you those menus: linear, wide, and super view. Press on super view for this to be active. And now anything you put in here, it's going to have the super view zoom in here. Press on it again. Press on the FPV. And here's the big difference between them: linear, wide. The difference between them, the wide one, and super view. So here's the super view, and you can see the big difference between them when I'm holding this in my hand, how it actually looks like when I flip through them. Make it darker here so you can really tell the difference. Linear, wide, and super view. This is a huge difference between them. And that's all you have to do in order to get this to look exactly like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel, and see you in another video. Another hack that I want to show you is that, first of all, on the button here, if you try to turn this off and you press on it, it might take a really long time for this to turn off, and you might think your GoPro is broken. Well, no, it's not. The whole problem in here is your preferences is not set correct. So you go into the preferences, and then what you're going to do is to go where it says all the way here, and we're looking for something called general. We're looking for something called connections, and go where it says wireless connection and make sure you turn this off. If it is turned off, this button right here, when you press on it, it's going to only take it a few seconds for it to turn this whole GoPro off, and it's going to be pretty quick. So just press on it right here, and that's it. And that's how it should turn off. If it takes you a lot longer than that, then your wireless connection is on. So you have to go back in here and turn the wireless connection off.